Mr. G, this video is for Bergen Community College students. And if you're new to the program, I just want to give you an overview and how to get started. All right, but right now I'm at Memorial High School. This is my day job. And we got an electric vehicle right here. This was originally a gasoline vehicle, and we converted it to electric. There's the batteries right here. And so that's kind of what we're going to be doing at the college, which is pretty cool. So at the college, what we're going to do is we're going to convert a truck from gasoline to electric. We're about halfway there, but we need your help to do some of the planning and some of the fabrication. All right, you're going to learn a lot of skills along the way, and it's going to take a very long time to finish the truck. So each semester we make progress, and you could be a part of that progress. Okay. Just to give you another example, here's a race car we're building from scratch. It's going to have an electric motor. The electric motor is sitting here in the corner. It's waiting to go inside there. There it is right there. This is a motorcycle, some separate project. This is from a go-kart. But anyway, so we've got a lot of projects, and I just want to give you information on where to find videos on what we've been doing so you can catch up. And then also I want to give you information on how to get started on independent projects, for instance, on SolidWorks, which is a CAD program. All right, so check this out. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is go over here to this document. I made this document. This is the step-by-step guide for BCC students with some Mr. G videos, okay? And what you do is you click on the link, okay? And once you click on the link, it'll bring you to another website that I find to be it's a good website, but I rearranged the order. So follow my order, which is here, okay? This order right here, and then use these lessons. So for instance, we're gonna make a donut, right? So the first thing you do is you gotta click new part. So if you go down to the, if you go down to here, to SolidWorks, right? Okay, and you click new part, and you go to OK. All right, the computer's just lagging a little bit, and it's coming up. So once you click new part, it's going to give you all the tools available to do this. So now we go back to the lesson. All right, we did that. So then the next thing is click on front plane. All right. So you go to sketch, which is here in the corner, and that's the sketch menu, and then you click on sketch, and then you click on front plane. Click on that, right? Okay, so we've done that. Now go back and check your lesson, and then it says they need a line roughly about 1.5 inches, okay? So you go back here. Now I know I'm going fast, but believe me, this is a short lesson, and it's very easy, okay? I've just made the line, so I clicked in 2 points. Now you notice here it's got this little tiny indication that it's vertical. Okay, so that's important. And then when you go to dimension it, you just click on this right here, dimension, and you click on the line, and you click here, and that is you say 1.5 inches. And it'll do it automatically. Now it's writing it in millimeter, but that's okay. You can change that right here in the corner. You can change that from millimeter to inches. Okay, so now we're in inches, and it closed the sketch by accident. Here we go. We're just going to open the sketch. Open the sketch is right click and edit. Right there in the corner. Okay, and then now if you want, you use the mouse and you double click the roller, and it'll automatically resize everything for you. And you can roll in and roll out, and that will roll in and roll out on the page here, okay? All right, so now the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go back to the lesson, and it's gonna say, oh, make a circle, and then dimension the circle, okay? So no problem. I'm gonna go ahead and take a circle here, and I think it was on this side, and we're going to hold down and let go, okay? And then we're going to dimension it. Now, this is where things get tricky. you want to do is click the center, and then click the center of the beginning of the line, which is called the origin, and then it didn't work. Okay, it's okay. We'll just do it again. Click on there. Click on there. So that's 2 locations, and I want to go vertical. I don't want to go. I'm not going horizontal, so I'm going to go vertical, and I'm going to check my dimensions or what they're asking for. Vertical is going to be 60, and horizontal is going to be 1. Okay. And let's see, so 0.6. And then we're going to do another one, which is which will be here. And this will be 1. Enter. Okay, and then the size of the circle, you just click the edge. Just click on the edge. It's no big deal. Just click on the edge. And I think the size was, let's see, okay, 0.75 diameter. So 0.75 diameter. Okay, and then you're pretty much done with that. I just want to move this one out of the way. And that part of your lesson is done. So you're going to go in here, and you're going to say blue check, right? You're done with that, and now everything gets gray. And then we're going to go into the lesson again, and it says you're going to use a revolve base, and you're going to do one direction, 360 degrees. So real simple. Features, it's in here, revolve base. Click on the circle, and it will automatically generate that donut. Now, you don't have to make the whole donut, as you can see here, right? Pretty cool, right? You can make the whole donut if you want to, but basically you're going to type this number in. You're going to say 360 degrees, and you say enter, and then you're going to say green check, okay? And you are done. That is the donut. Now, that lesson is finished. You could take a look, see, you're done, yay. Okay, so good job, and then just save that. So what I would do is I would save that in your drive or in the drive that I gave you a code to, and then that's lesson 1, and so good job, okay? Now, I do a little variation. I like to take a bite out of the donut. So let's go back here, and although, you know, donuts are not very good for you, but they taste good. So let's go back here. And let's take a bite out of the donut. So we'll just do that real quick. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to say sketch, and I'm going to say let's start a sketch. The question always is which view, and so I'm going to say top view, and then I want to orient myself at the top. Okay, and then what we're going to do is I'm going to say, okay, well, a bite mark kind of looks like this. Okay, I think that's not in the right position. I think I'm going to move that a little bit. Okay, let's just move this to right about here. And I'm done with that. And now I'm going to go to features. I'm going to go extrude cut. And let's take a look from the side. So now it's cutting, but it's cutting down. So we got to reverse that. And then looks good to me. Green check. And then booyakasha. There's a bite in the donut. Okay, so this is the concept. Right? SolidWorks is a solid modeling program that you're able to create volumes and cut them. You can shell them, you can make them hollow, you can twist them, you can do a lot of different things. So this is a good starting point for anybody who wants to work on this project. All right, so let me give you the link, and also you can check out any video you'd like on my YouTube channel. I have a specific playlist. So there's the donut, right? And you can get more complicated from there. But let's see. If you go here, we've got, this is the SolidWorks demo. I can send you a link via email. Someone who is interested just recently did that, and I'll just email it to them directly. And then over here on the YouTube channel, we have a Bergen, Mr.G at Bergen Community College. That's me. So if you hit play all, it'll just start playing. This one here, this is the observatory, unrelated to our project, but it's in the playlist because it's at Bergen. But this here, we've got a situation where I'm explaining the project, and I'll walk inside and give you a tour. And so that's basically what's available on the YouTube channel. Okay, and so that's the tour, and that's up to date. All right, but you guys could look that up on your own. All right, so I'm Mr. G. I'm at Memorial High School, my day job. I'm a shop teacher for the last 13 years, but at Bergen Community College, we've been working on the electric vehicle project for about 3 years now, and it's going very well. Got some great students involved, and I'm so glad you decided to join, and I hope that this video helped. Okay, all right, talk to you soon. Mr. G, see you later.